From toasters to phone chargers, we are surrounded by electric cables like a spider web. And they all have one mission: to carry electric current from one device to another. They're the invisible heroes of our modern lifestyle and our technological developments. The manufacture of electric cables begins as a recycling process. They take all the copper out of old cables and put them into a shredding machine. Then they melt the copper and give it a brand new form that will help turn it into a wire. Afterwards, they apply heat and soften the copper so it can easily bend and twist. Then comes the process of wire drawing, for which the size and length of wires is determined beforehand. When the wires reach the desired size, the cooling phase begins. The wires get twisted and stranded together after they cool down. And finally, they complete the process by applying the plastic coat at the cabling station. They need to ensure the quality of the final product. Because once a cable's made, they need to be sure that it stays in good working condition for several years.